Okay, you can also see how it would look like on mobile screen for logos on Facebook, Instagram, and so on and so forth, right? Not just that, you can also see how it would look like on GIF. Having a good logo will not only make your brand look professional, but it will also build connection with your customers in long run. But not everyone has the time, budget, and most importantly, the design skills to create a professional looking logo. Welcome to the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge, day 158. Today, we are focusing on Wix Logo Maker, an AI-powered tool that lets you create a professional looking logo within a few seconds, even if you do not have any design skills. Let's get started. To begin, head over to wix.com/logo/maker and click on Get My Logo. Now you have two options. One is to create a logo yourself, which is using the AI. The second one is hire a professional designer. Of course, we want to look at this section of it. Okay, so I'll click on Create a Logo. It'll ask us to create an account. Let's continue with Google and select the account that we want to create our account with. Click on Continue and we are in. Now it has come to wix.com website templates. We have to go back to, let's come back here, click on Get My Logo again, click on Create a Logo, and we should already be in. This is the place we have to be in, which is manage.wix.com/logo/maker/AI assistant. Right now, there are two options again. One is start chat, one is create without chat. We will go with chat because that's more simpler to understand and create. So I'll click on start chat. It'll ask us the details like, first, what name do you want in your logo? It's usually the name of your business, but it can be anything. So I'll try to create a logo for our own business. Okay, let me go with Bit7 and Sun Software Solutions and automate business processes. Okay, so let's enter. What tagline would you like to include in your logo, if any? Let me quickly check what's our tagline. Your automation partner. So tagline is your automation partner. If not, we are all set. Okay. Lastly, is there anything else you would like to tell about your business? If not, we are all set. Trust, timeline, and quality are two important aspects of our business because we want to build a long-term professional relationship with our clients. Understood? And logos are ready. So what it has done is it has selected these colors for us. Okay, let's view the logos. It'll take a minute or less, and there you go. So we've got some logos here. Okay, with 7 your automation partner, with 7 with some icons. Okay, as you can see, right? So because we mentioned automation, it thought automatic car driving, so it has come up with a car steering. I like our present logo. But anyways, so we have a few options to choose from. You can also change the icons. Okay, so for example, right now we have selected this one. We can search for icon here. Let's see, automation. Generally automation comes something like settings or gear or something like that, which I rarely like. Let's go with AI, see if there are any AI based icons. Nothing really. Right, robot. Okay, for the sake of completing this, let's select some robot. Let's go with maybe this one. Right, so what it does is it changes the icon in all the logos, and you can see how it looks like. Okay, and select one of the ones which you feel is good enough. It has not changed over here, but let's go and select this one. Okay, now you can also change the colors. Like for example, if you don't like the colors, you can disable it and it will become a different color. Okay, based on whatever we have given, it would have chosen the colors. Okay, and you can also see how it would look like when you build a page. Okay, so logo comes here, great things are coming with the color palette, right? And you can also see how the visiting card would look like. Okay, you can also see how it would look like on a mobile screen for logos on Facebook, Instagram, and so on and so forth, right? Not just that, you can also see how it would look like on gifts that you would provide, if at all, right? Like bags, t-shirts, mugs, and so on and so forth. Not just that, you can also customize your logo. Okay, so you can go ahead and change the font, change the color. All of that can be done. So we have the color palette here, so you can change that to see how the logo and font and everything would change, right? So we can play around with that a bit. Gets changed based on what you select. Lot of color options to choose from. Right now I'll go with the first one, and then you can also change the text, like fonts you can change. You can also add your own text here. You can add the symbols. Okay, you can change the symbol, which we had selected robot to begin with. You can also try with some shapes if you want. You can also add some images if you would like. You can also change the background. Once all of this is done, you can preview it to see how it looks on different pages, websites, listing cards, and so on and so forth, right? And once you are satisfied with it, just click on next, and there you go. You can either create a branded website, okay, using Wix, get a professional website that reflects your brand style and help people connect with what you do, manage your business, sell products and services, and collect leads. Okay, or you can also do branded social media tools. Okay, showcase your brand social activity under one link with Hop by Wix. It's basically a online business card kind of a thing, right? Promote content, convert followers, and create an onboard social presence in minutes. Okay, so you can select which one do you want to move with and click on next. Or if you want just the logo, you can click on I just need a logo, right? Like in most of the logo builders, you can build it for free, but if you want to download it, you have to pay for it, right? As you can see, just the logo, you have a payment of 1308 INR, which is close to like $15 or so. If you want basic, it's just $5.99. If you want expanded logo set, then you will have to pay $1199. You don't have to hire expensive designers or so. If you need a very basic logo, then platforms like this can do the job. You just have to share your brand's name, what you do, tagline, and some more details if required, and AI will do the rest. You can use it to create different variations and select the one which feels right and move ahead with it for customization and finally getting your logo done. So do give it a try and see if it feels right. And if you feel it's good enough, then share it with one of your friends who is stuck with logo creation. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.